Sea turtles are ancient marine reptiles that have roamed Earth's oceans for over 100 million years, making them some of the oldest creatures on the planet. There are 7 species of sea turtles, including the green turtle, loggerhead, leatherback, hawksbill, olive ridley, Kemp's ridley, and the flatback, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations to their environment. These reptiles are primarily found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, although they can also be spotted in temperate seas during migration. Sea turtles are highly adapted for life in the ocean. Their streamlined bodies and large, paddle-like flippers allow them to swim long distances, often traveling thousands of miles between feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Unlike most land-dwelling turtles, sea turtles cannot retract their heads and limbs into their shells, but they are equipped with tough, scaly skin that offers protection. Leatherback sea turtles, the largest of the species, can grow up to 7 feet, 2.1 meters, in length and weigh as much as 2,000 pounds, 900 kilograms, making them the largest turtles in the world. One of the most remarkable features of sea turtles is their ability to migrate long distances. Many sea turtles undertake incredible journeys between feeding areas and the beaches where they lay their eggs. For example, female green sea turtles may travel more than 1,600 miles, 2,600 kilometers, from their foraging grounds to nest. They return to the exact beach where they were born, a phenomenon known as natal homing, guided by the Earth's magnetic fields. Sea turtles are primarily omnivorous, with diets that vary depending on the species and age. Green sea turtles, for example, are herbivores as adults, feeding on seagrass and algae, which helps maintain the health of seagrass beds. Hawksbill turtles, on the other hand, are carnivores, specializing in eating sponges, an activity that helps control sponge populations on coral reefs. Leatherbacks, with their soft, leathery shells, primarily feed on jellyfish, contributing to the ocean's jellyfish population balance. Reproduction in sea turtles is an arduous process that begins when female turtles reach sexual maturity, which can take anywhere from 10 to 50 years, depending on the species. After mating in the water, females come ashore to lay their eggs, usually at night, on sandy beaches. They dig nests with their rear flippers, deposit around 50 to 200 eggs depending on the species, and cover them with sand to incubate. The incubation period lasts about 60 days, with the sex of the hatchlings determined by the temperature of the sand. A higher temperature generally produces females, while cooler temperatures result in males. Once the eggs hatch, the baby sea turtles, called hatchlings, must make a perilous journey from the nest to the ocean. Guided by the natural light reflecting off the sea, they crawl across the beach toward the water. Many hatchlings are preyed upon by birds, crabs, and other predators before they reach the ocean. Those that do make it to the water still face threats from larger marine predators. Of the thousands of hatchlings that emerge from nests each year, only a small percentage survive to adulthood. Sea turtles play a critical role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Green sea turtles graze on seagrass beds to keep them short and healthy, preventing them from becoming overgrown and promoting biodiversity. Hawksbill turtles contribute to coral reef health by feeding on sponges, allowing space for corals to grow. Leatherbacks help regulate jellyfish populations, preventing them from overwhelming the marine environment. The loss of sea turtles would lead to imbalances that could disrupt marine ecosystems and negatively affect other species that depend on them. Despite their ancient lineage and resilience, sea turtles face numerous threats due to human activities. Habitat destruction, especially coastal development, reduces the availability of nesting sites. Pollution, especially plastic waste, poses a significant risk to sea turtles, as they often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish, leading to ingestion that can cause blockages, starvation, or death. Climate change is also a growing concern, as rising temperatures affect hatchling sex ratios, potentially leading to skewed populations. Another major threat is illegal poaching and exploitation. In many parts of the world, sea turtles are hunted for their shells, meat, and eggs. Hawksbill turtles are particularly targeted for their beautiful shells, which are used to make jewelry and other decorative items. Additionally, sea turtles are often caught accidentally in fishing nets, a problem known as bycatch, which can result in injury or death. This has led to the decline of several sea turtle species, with some now listed as endangered or critically endangered. Efforts to protect sea turtles are underway worldwide. Conservation organizations are working to protect nesting beaches, often by establishing marine protected areas where human activities are restricted. Many countries have banned the harvesting of sea turtles and their eggs, while efforts to reduce bycatch in commercial fisheries include the use of turtle excluder devices, TEDs, on nets, allowing trapped turtles to escape. Public awareness campaigns have also been launched to educate people about the importance of reducing plastic waste and supporting conservation initiatives. Culturally, sea turtles hold significant value in many parts of the world. In various indigenous cultures, they are seen as symbols of wisdom, endurance, and longevity. In some Polynesian cultures, turtles represent the connection between humans and the ocean. However, in modern times, sea turtles have also become icons of marine conservation, symbolizing the urgent need to protect the oceans from environmental degradation. Sea turtles are remarkable creatures that have survived for millions of years, playing a vital role in marine ecosystems. Despite facing numerous threats, conservation efforts are providing hope for their survival. Protecting these ancient mariners is critical not only for preserving biodiversity, but also for ensuring the health of our oceans. Through global cooperation and sustainable practices, we can help sea turtles continue to thrive for future generations.